In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we can convert image into PDF just in few seconds. So this will be a quick tutorial for beginners, easy and simple. Let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. Click over here on the search and you need to search for Canva. We will use Canva website. It's really friendly and easy for beginners. Click on the first link over here and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free, of course. So what you need to do next, click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload and click on choose file and upload the picture that you want to convert into a PDF. Okay, so I'm gonna search for picture. So for example, I want to convert this picture as a PDF. I will choose this one. I will click on open and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you need to do next is just click over here on share, scroll down, click on download. Okay, and you have here file type. Okay, click on file type, click on PNG and choose PDF. Okay, like this. Then click over here on download. Okay, and your picture will be converted into a PDF. Okay, like this, as you can see. And here you go, you can see that our pictures was converted into a PDF. Okay, so it's really super easy and simple. And you can find your picture into your downloads on your laptop. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how you can convert a picture into a PDF just by using Canva. You can also click over here if you want to download, or if you want to change the size, then download it again, or you can click over here on print if you want to print this picture as PDF, and that's it.